Very good, very good. So it is very important to maintain what I call a work experience inventory, which means every month you sit down and you check the positive contribution that you've made in workplace and put them in a way that can be measured. Let's say you're an administrator and one of your function is to buy things. And this month you were able to negotiate an invoice or a contract to give you a discount of 10%, and that 10% it's R1 million that you have saved for a company for a period of 12 months. So you need to document that maybe in your diary, because you have saved the company R1 million as an administrator. That work experience inventory is the one that you need to use when you apply for work. Instead of saying like you were used to buy things, handling invoice, you put the impact to say like you were buying things, and usually for last year you have saved about like R1 million because of you negotiating that contract as an administrator. So it is very important to maintain a work experience inventory in a way where you show the results and impact. Later in when you apply for a job, you use that inventory. Very good.